Oh, is Josh crawling? Come on, Aaron. You too. Oh, you giving up now, Josh? You move 2 steps and that's it? Oh. Got something new for you guys. Oops. Come on, Aaron. Go get it. I don't know. It's not quite a crawl there, buddy. Pretty close. Cheating. You're a cheater. We gotta give Aaron a chance. Whoops. You cheater. Whoa! Aaron, you're losing, buddy. But you look cute with your tail. You get points for that. You want to try one more time?